I'll be guiding you guys on how to redeem store codes for MetaQuest 3. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to go ahead and open the MetaQuest app, which you should have installed while setting up your MetaQuest 3. So now once that is done, you can go ahead and click on this option of menu right here. So you're going to click on this three dots on the bottom right corner, and then you'll be redirected to a page like this. Now from here, you're going to go ahead and click on the settings option. So once you click on settings, you'll be redirected to a page like this where you're going to see many options. Now from here, you're going to go ahead and click on redeem store codes, that option right there. And then you'll be redirected to a page like this where you're going to go ahead and enter your code. It's going to be a 25-digit code separated by dashes. So you can go ahead, open scratch your code. So your gift card should look something like this. MetaQuest 3 gift card. So your card should look something like this. You can go ahead and scratch it up, and then you can write the code on this bar and you can click on submit, and you would have been successfully redeemed the code. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.